Happy birthday, Tay! Ako ang di ko gid malipatan nga memory kay tatay kay nang magupdanay kami bala sa mga conferences. Basta di niya plano magkanto, mag-attend, nang maupod man ko. Maupod kami. And sa Bukidnon, sa Davao, Manila, sa diin man ara si Bishop Oriel or din ang National 12 or kung sa diin ang may training na mo ginaka-hungry si tatay when it comes to trainings and mentorings and ang muna akon nga mga treasured moments with him. At the same time, di ko gid malipatan man nga nang somebody vouched for me nang growing up, nang feeling ko nang wala gid bala may nagapili sa akon, no, nang I'm just a nobody. Pero with Pastor Hedison, nang I was given a chance. Siyempre nang wala man ko bala ng idea about ministry, about Christian life, pero he trusted me. He gave me a chance. He gave me an opportunity to serve the Lord. No, nang amo ginang hindi ko malipatan kay tatay. Salamat kay tay for believing in me. Nang dala-dala ko gina sa heart ko permi ang pag-disciple mo sa akon. And one day we will serve the Lord together again. And I'm so blessed that I can call you my spiritual father. Thank you for everything, Tay. Happy birthday.
Giubos mo naman tayo. Ako Tay, happy birthday, Liwat. Thank you for your life. One thing I will never forget about you is how you've been very gentle gid sa tanan nga butang, no? In talking with people, disciplining your kids, disciples, and it might look normal kagasimple man sa ibang nga tao, but it matters to me, especially that I'm a father of 3, no? Nagalook ginalantaw gid akong pastor how he walk his talk gid bala how nami gid na nga life. And we declare that the Lord will grant your desires this year. Baga ni sa Psalm 44, that God knows every secrets of our hearts, and I know that God fully knows your very desires unspoken, and I pray nga si Lord gina mag-answer sina. God bless you, tayo. Love you.
We love you. From Mongolia, with love. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tay.